Hey buddy, welcome to Visual.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 41569. So this is a very simple question. What we have to do is we have to simply arrange the digits in ascending order, and that's how we will get the smallest 5-digit number. So let's write it. Smallest 5-digit number will be equal to arranging arranging the given digits in ascending order. That is, the smallest digit will come at the first position and the largest digit will come at the last position. That is, the smallest digit will be in the left hand side and the largest digit will be on the right hand side. So the smallest digit among the given digits is 1. So we write 1 over here. After 1 comes 4. After 4 we have 5. After 5 we have 6, and finally we have 9. So 14569 is the smallest 5-digit number which is possible out of the given digits. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option D is the required final answer. So option D will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.